Managing long-form technical literature in a digital environment quickly leads to information overload, burying your workflow under hundreds of pages of unstructured data. To solve this, developers try feeding an entire 500-page manual directly into an AI agent's context window. This triggers the discovery loop tax. Because the agent has to linearly scan massive blocks of text on every single prompt, you suffer retrieval degradation and incur high API costs on every turn of the conversation. The open-source book-to-skill utility resolves this exact bottleneck. Built by an independent site reliability engineer, the tool operates as a local compiler. It transforms unstructured technical prose into a modular, on-demand reference pool. A raw context dump consumes up to 256,000 tokens per prompt. The book-to-skill method answers the exact same query using roughly 6,000 tokens. Setting up this pipeline requires a basic local toolchain, Python 3, a terminal-based AI agent, and your target technical document. By running the compilation process locally exactly once, you bypass the recurring context tax, saving both time and API budget on every subsequent query. Step 1. Open your command line interface. You need to clone the repository directly into your AI agent's active skills directory. Placing it here ensures the agent automatically registers the /command trigger at startup. You must target the correct path for specific platforms. Claude Code, GitHub Copilot CLI, and AMP each utilize specific directories, and sending the clone to the wrong folder will cause the installation to fail. Next, execute a pre-flight diagnostic by running the extract check script. This audits your local machine to confirm you have the required parsing libraries. For instance, the system relies on the Poppler utility to maintain high-speed extraction for text-heavy PDFs. If it is missing, your extraction will fail on densely formatted prose. If the diagnostic flags a missing dependency, it outputs the exact installation command required to fix the issue on your specific operating system. Skipping this diagnostic risks immediate extraction failure, but executing it guarantees optimal parsing speeds across any document format you throw at it. Now, initiate the conversion process by typing the newly registered /command followed by your target document path. The engine will immediately interrogate you with an interactive prompt, requiring you to classify the structural density of the source material. Selecting technical mode invokes IBM Dockling to preserve code blocks and complex mathematical tables. Text-heavy mode utilizes Poppler for fast prose analysis. Inside technical mode, the engine evaluates chapter complexity, expanding its adaptive token budgets to preserve vital worked examples and analytical depth. To remain legally compliant, the system enforces quality rule number 7. The engine is forbidden from making verbatim copies of the text. Instead, it synthesizes the author's logic into structural, derivative study notes. Let's look at the final output generated inside your IDE. The compiler generates 3 critical components: a master skill.mmd file containing the core metadata, a modular chapters subdirectory, and a specialized glossary.md reference file. This folder architecture creates a system of progressive disclosure, controlling exactly how and when the AI will load specific pieces of knowledge at runtime. Return to your active chat interface to test the compiled skill. Type your designated book trigger command followed by a highly specific engineering query. The agent reads the master file, bypasses the rest of the book, and surgically retrieves only the single required chapter. Grounding the agent in this pre-processed chapter minimizes retrieval failure and achieves high recall precision compared to unmanaged context dumps. Documentation is rarely static. When a project updates, you use the fold-in workflow. When you feed a new document into your existing skill directory, the engine merges new chapter files and alphabetizes new glossary terms, ensuring your previous extraction remains intact. This fold-in capability prevents you from constantly recompiling from scratch, turning a static text extraction into a living, evolving local expert. Compiling your skills locally ensures your internal documentation stays within your own infrastructure. Because the pipeline runs entirely on your hardware without external dependencies, no proprietary code or internal company documents ever leave your machine. Take your team's scattered architecture decision records and process them through the utility today. Efficient engineering workflows do not require infinitely large context windows. They require the precise, deterministic compilation of specialized, secure local skills.